So, for those subscriptions that are ending on or after, and that is an American format date, so it's May 4th, which happens to be Star Wars Day. May the 4th be with you. And I think sometimes Microsoft does that for a bit of cheek and fun, make it May 4th. So on or after Star Wars Day, you are looking at extended terms. If for the behaviour of the result of the subscription ending, so the day after expiration, if they renew, it renews, great. But if they don't renew, they then move to what's called EST, which is that uplift in price, a monthly price, and an uplift on top of that monthly price until they cancel it in time or decide to move towards renewal, or they cancel and the subscription moves to disabled state by default, so that their resources are no longer available, which is quite a different experience. If you go right to the bottom of the jar, the slide you see in the old days, it was, yes, renew is without change, that's consistent. But we had that grace period of a number of days where administrators were still able to access resources in that disabled state. Now, if they want to access those resources, they're in extended service term. There's a payment for those users on a monthly basis with a 3% uplift in that. So you can see the dates on or after May the 4th with the subscription start date a year ago or before a year ago. You can see that subtle nuance there. And then before the 4th of May, then obviously before, what are we talking about? Gosh, a week, 10 days that we've got active before that May the 4th comes up. So if their subscription ends before then and renews, then they have that grace period or they have that renewal option. So please do consider that. I have put a link in the bottom there that gives you much more detail. If you'd like to use that and then use our friend Copilot in the browser, it can nicely summarize that and you can ask questions of it using your Copilot